Welcome to my educative channel. Today I'm going to show how the light of laser can improve many scars, different scars, traumatic scar, chirurgical scar. And here in Buenos Aires, Argentina, I use a lot of lasers in order to improve many scars. Here we can see a scar in a difficult area to improve, and here we can see the improvement that has this patient. In a closer view we can see the scar wider, and here how improve the color, improve the white, and also here is almost inconspicuous. Here we can see the result both sides. If you have some kind of scar, you can send us pictures. We are going to analyze and send you information in what way we can improve your scar.